Have you ever heard of Yum, the Yellow Dog Updater and Modifier?
Yes, I have. It's an advanced and efficient method for installing packages on Linux systems.
That's right. Yum automatically resolves software dependencies and provides both command line and graphical versions.
It also allows you to specify particular software versions or architectures and manage multiple software locations at one time.
That sounds amazing. How do you set up a Yum server?
To set up a basic Yum implementation locally, you need to copy the entire OS CD's content to the hard drive, install the create repo package, specify the repository location to Yum, and create a file with .repo extension in /etc/yum.repos.d/folder.
What about configuring a Yum server repository through an FTP server?
To install packages remotely using the Yum repository, you need to install VSFTPD server on the server, start and enable the FTP service, and create a server.repo file in /etc/yum.repo.d/ with the FTP repository details.
That's very informative. What are the advantages of Yum?
Yum offers automatic resolution of software dependencies, both command line and graphical versions, multiple software locations at one time, and the ability to specify particular software versions or architectures.
I see. Can you create a dump of the RHEL CD using Yum?
Yes, you can mount the CD, copy the entire disk to /var/ftp/pub, and use this dump for network installation or creating Yum repository files.
That's very helpful. What about preparing for the RHCE exam using Yum?
To prepare for the RHCE exam, you need to ensure that you have completed the prerequisites, including a Linux system with a specific hostname and IP address, and a dump of the RHEL disk in the /var/ftp/pub location.
Wow, I learned a lot about Yum today. Thank you for the informative conversation.
You're welcome. Good luck with your Linux journey.